Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Expensify for deductible business expenses step by step clearly. Visit the Expensify website in your web browser. Click on the sign up button if you do not have an account. Fill in your personal details to create an account. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your newly created Expensify account. Navigate to the Settings tab in the dashboard. Select Policies from the options available. Click on the Create a Policy button to start a new policy. Choose the appropriate policy type for your business needs. Name your policy clearly to reflect its purpose. In the policy details, ensure to enable the option for deductibility. Set the expense limits and categories that apply to the policy. Add user roles by inviting team members who will need access. Ensure to provide sufficient permissions for users to manage their expenses. Save the policy settings once you have configured everything. Next, download the Expensify mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Log into your account using the mobile app. Go to the Expenses tab to start adding your deductible business expenses. Click on the Add Expense button to input a new expense. Fill in the details required, such as date, amount, and category. Upload receipts by taking a photo or importing from your files. Save the expense to add it to your list. Review your expenses periodically to ensure accuracy and compliance. When ready, navigate to the Reports section. Create a new report by selecting the expenses you want to include. Submit your report for approval according to your company's procedures. Check the status of your report to ensure timely processing. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Expensify for your deductible business expenses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.